Good morning, grade 7. Let's go for the third problem from practice set 41. Javed deposited 12,000 rupees at 9 PCPA in a bank for some years. So, years we don't know. We know rate, that is 9, and we know principal, which is 12,000 rupees, and withdrew his interest every year. At the end of the period, he had received altogether 17,400 rupees. Altogether means it is interest plus principal. That is nothing but amount he has received. So, amount he has received for 17,400 rupees. For how many years had he deposited his money? That means in short, we have to find time. How many years means. So, we know principal, we know rate, we know amount. We have to find T, that is time. Now see students, what is amount? Amount is principal plus interest. So principal plus what is interest? PRT upon 100. So for I have substituted PRT upon 100. Now just substitute the values. Amount is what? 17,400 over here is equal to this P, or in short this P I have written 12,000 plus again 12,000 into rate is R into T as it is upon 100. These two zeros will be cancelled. What we have? 17,400. 12,000 shifted over here, they will be minus 12,000 is equal to 12 8s are 108 and this 0 remains as it is into T. Now 17,400 minus 12,000 is 5,400, which is equal to 1,080 T. So what will be T? 5,400 upon 1080. 5,400 upon 1080. So this 0 can be cancelled and we are left with 540 upon 108. Now see students, if you multiply 580 into 5, directly 5 8s are 40 and 5 1s are 5. We get 540. So 108 1s are and 108 5s are. So what is T? T we got 5 and time is always in years. So we got 5 years. Got it everybody? I hope the problem is clear. Okay. Let's go to the next question, fourth question. Please pause the video and take down all the steps. Now look at the fourth problem. I am just reading it for you. Question number 4. Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at a rate of 10 PCPA interest. That means for 2.5 years to start a cottage industry. If she paid 10,250 rupees as total interest, how much money had she borrowed? How much money had she borrowed? That means we have to find out principal amount. Total interest she paid is 10,250. Now rate is given as 10 PCPA. So rate I have taken as 10. And your interest she has taken is for 2.5 years. Time is 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5 years. Okay. Now see students. Interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Substitute the values. Interest has already been given 10,250, which is equal to P we have to find out. Rate is 10 into T is 2.5 upon 100. Now see 10 into 2.5, this point can be eliminated. 10 into 2.5 becomes 25. So what we have? 10,250 is equal to P as it is into 10 into 2.5 is 25 upon 100 as it is. Now let us find out P. First I am shifting 100 over here. So you have 10,250 into 100. 100 is in denominator, here it will go in numerator. It is in division, here it will go in multiplication. This is in multiplication, here it will go in division. Upon 25 is equal to P. So 25 1s are and 25 4s are 100. So what is P? So we can say P is equal to 10,250 into 4. Okay. So 0, 4 zeros are 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 4 zeros are 0, 1 and 4 1s are 4. So principal amount, total amount which she borrowed is 41,000 rupees. Is this clear? Okay, which quantity you have to find, you have to keep it at one side. Rest of all you move. Okay. I hope it is clear. Fine. Okay. Now let's go for fifth problem. In fifth problem you have a table. Fill in the blanks in the table. Principal is given, rate is given, time, interest and amount. So whatever is missing you have to find out. Alright. So let's start with the first problem. In question number 5 there are 5 problems. Alright. So let's do first. So we are going to do first problem from fifth one. So look at the fifth question number 1. Let us first write whatever is given. Principal is how much? Principal is 4,200. Okay. Then rate which is given is 7. Time given is 3 years. Okay. We have to find interest and as well as we have to find amount. Both things we have to find. Now first find out interest. Add it to principal to get amount. So first let's find out interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So how much is P? 4200. Rate is 7. Rate time is 3 upon 100. These two gone. Alright. So what we are left with? 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 126 into 7 is your interest. Which is equal to 7 6s are 42. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. 7 1s are 7 and 1 8. So 882 is your interest which you got. Alright. Now we have to find principal amount. Amount. Yes. Amount is equal to what? Principal plus interest. How much is principal? How much is principal? It is 4,200. To that we have to add 882. So how much you got? 2, 8, 0, 1 and 5. So amount is equal to 5,082 rupees. So you can say this is rupees 5,082 is the amount and interest is this. So we have found both the blanks. So interest is rupees 882 rupees you can write and amount is 5,082. I hope it is clear. Okay. So please do remaining problems in the similar way. We'll see of course in the next video, but you try to do it on your own as well. Alright. So let's stop here students. Remaining problems we will see in the next video. But again as I am telling you, please try to do it on your own as well. Thank you.